Alright, this is a second brief video for in-person instruction. Unit 5, Lesson 4, Synthetic Division. And so, again, in Lesson 4, our leading coefficient is always 1. That will change for Lesson 5, and we'll learn what to do when that occurs. We're going to start by listing all the factors of 3, 1 and 3. And so I need to test both positive 1 and negative 1 and positive 3 and negative 3 until one of them works. Let's start by testing positive 1. So I have 1x the third, 4x squared, negative 2x the first, and negative 3x the 0. Everything's accounted for, 0, 1, 2, and 3. I know this works if I receive a 0. Okay, Mama method. After I drop down, it's multiply and add down. Multiply and add down. Multiply and add down, and it works. So I know x equals 1 is one of the 3 solutions to this polynomial equation. Now I'm going to take this and write this as 0 equals no x, 1x, and 2x. But here's a problem I can already see. I don't know two numbers that multiply to give us 3 and combine to give us 5. It's not possible. Doesn't mean I can't solve this quadratic equation. It just means factoring doesn't work. So what do? Then you're going to rely on the quadratic formula where you identify your A, your B, and your C, and you plug it in. And so that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to erase what's above to give myself some space. Okay, so I know my A is 1, B is 5, and C is 3. Here we go. Okay, so A is 1, B is 5, and C is 3. So let me just keep erasing to give myself a little more space here. I have x equals negative 5 plus or minus 25 subtract 12 is 13. I know the square root of 13 cannot be reduced, and so these are my other two answers. 3 solutions, there's 1, and here's 2. Once when you add and once when you subtract.